Hello my friends, we are going to review today this warming device that you can put in your kitchen, in your bathroom, everywhere that you want. I have selected this Bronson fan heater, energy saving 1500 watts. It is a great device to heat your small room, and for the story I wanted to buy a warming device for two things. The first thing is that I am currently doing a renovation. So I have some wall which must be dried, which are a little wet because of the paint, because of the different stuff that you put in the wall. And also I wanted to buy to use this money to buy it, to use it also in the bathroom, so that it is not too much powerful. First, to avoid making the fuse to jump out, and also so that it can be used for the little children. And for this different consideration, I have bought this device that I'm going to show you more precisely. This is the dimension here from the manufacturer. You see it is not too big, 27 centimeter of 17 centimeter of width, 13 centimeter of depth. It is rotating by itself, but there is a switch at the bottom here. The switch can be used to avoid turning, so you can block it in the position that you want. This is very great. Here you see oscillation of 40 degrees. So here the different buttons, you see here there is a light indicator which indicates when it is switched on. Here there is a switch where there is 1, 2, 3, 4 position. The first position with the number 0 says that it is not doing anything. Then the number 2 is only with the fan, is just putting some air without heating it. Then the position number 1 is putting some hot air, but at half of the max power. And then the position number 2 is putting the air with the maximum power. The maximum power is written here, 1500 watts. And the half power is about 800 watts. You will see in the lab after this that I will measure it with the power meter. You will see how accurate it is. And there is also this switch here, min max. When later on in the video I do not know how to use it, but I will explain you it now. This switch is to regulate the room temperature. So in fact here, if you put it to the minimum, let's say your room is at 18 degrees, you will power it on, then it will warm the temperature to a certain level. When this level will be reached, the fan heater will stop by itself, and then it waits as the room gets down, and there is also an hysteresis embedded in this device. So when the temperature goes sufficiently down, it is going to go a little more up. And then if you put this switch here to the max, it waits a little more that the temperature is a little higher. There is no correspondence about the exact temperature which is based on, but at least you have understood that if you want to have a lot of warm, you put it to the max. And let's like also why you should use this device. This device is great to warm, but not too warm. And I will also explain you with the power what is great. This device is giving a total power of 500 watts. This is important to consider to avoid going too much high. Do not buy a device which warms too much with too much wattage. Because of this consideration, consider the margin to avoid fuse trigger. If you are in Europe, you have the voltage about 200 volt, and the wattage is just the multiplication between the intensity by the voltage. So here, roughly 16 amp by 200 volt is about 3000 watts. So any device reaching about 3000 watts is far too much, because it will burst your fuse if you are using this in a household with other devices switched on. So the choice of this device is also for this. We are well below this maximum limit. This is why I also decided to choose to buy this device. Another consideration when you buy a device is to ensure that there is a website behind it with a real manufacturer, because on Amazon you have some different sellers without necessarily a real manufacturer behind it. But here you see Bronson is a real manufacturer with his own website, and you see the list of the different warming devices. They are very complete. There are some household devices. The one that I present you is this one. But there are also more industrial devices. Here you see the industrial devices, the 3 here, which are at 3000 watts. And you see why I have avoided this one, because they are very powerful. And you will see at the end of the video, I use it in the bathroom next to the children. And I have no worm issue. It is totally safe to use with your family, with your children, in addition of renovation. So now let's go to the lab to see a little better how this device is working. And this video is in the context of my playlist, My Amazing Review, that I am developing on YouTube, where I review different items for you. I have selected the best quality items. The deal is, if you are happy about this presentation, you use the link below, which is an Amazon affiliate link.
So here is the package just received. So you see here the label Bronson Equipment White 1500 watts, 2-level heating ventilation system with a oscillation function. So it comes like this with 2 buttons at the top, and you see with the foot it can oscillate. And the button here has 2 level, 3 level, 0, ventilation 1 and 2. Here minimum, maximum for the temperature. So now it is plugged in. Let's put the power on. So now it is only on ventilation. Power is on. And the air is cold. It's only ventilation. Let's put it to 1. And now the air is a little hot. But the thing is not turning. Then here you have this switch to put the oscillation on and off. Now it is not turning. I will switch it on. And now it is turning. Very slowly. So there is a possibility to disable the automatic turn. Now the air is warm, and let's put it a little warmer. Now it is maximum warm with the 2 here. And now the air is very hot, and the device is still turning very slowly. So this device is very great to warm your bathroom if you need it, or if you want to warm some piece of renovation. Me, for the moment, I will put it next to here to warm my device. And there is a security inside. If you take it, the device is automatically switched on off. When you put it back on the floor, there is a contact sensor. Then it comes back to heating. Also, what we can do is put some lights in the back to see a little better how it is created inside. You see the big fan with some resistor. And when I switch on, the primary goal of this heater is our little room. It is not intended to warm some building stuff like this. However, I am using it because it is warming a lot, and also this functionality can be, this tool can be used to warm your coating like this, and it is very efficient and very warm. And to make the measurements, I am going to use the Wellman power meter. So I have just plugged in the device like this, and at 0. One first good thing is that it is consuming 0 watt. So good. Only the ventilation mode. So it means that there is only some airflow and the device is not heating at all. So here I have a consumption of 4 watt, which is very small. 7 watt. Okay, so we have a 3 watt consumption just for the rotation. I'm going to increase it. So now let's go to the 1. So this means that this is heating with the smallest position. There is 2 positions for heating. The minimum heating is consuming about 1000 watts, between 900 and 1000 watts. Good. There is a little stabilization time needed, so about 850 for the consumption. Good. Let's put to the maximum now. Position 2 with the rotation. $1,700. So I have shown to you the usage of this dryer in the renovation of my kitchen, but the primary use is to use it in a little room where you live, like for example in the bathroom. And in the bathroom, this device is very effective. So I recommend clearly to buy this new device. It is very warm, very comfortable, quiet indeed. You can hear the noise. And don't forget to buy it by using the link in the description, which is an Amazon affiliate link. Now I can warm when I lie on the floor. Bye. And now I am hot like a chicken.